Hello there and welcome. How's it going? This is Mark Castillo, aka the Digital Marketing Warrior. Welcome to the Facebook Live. And if you're watching this from YouTube, welcome to the Digital Marketing Warrior YouTube channel, the place to come to be inspired in creating your wealth. In today's video, I'd like to share with you whether or not you should sell a high ticket offer in your business. So if you're watching this from the first time, you're watching this from the Facebook Live, don't forget to follow me on Facebook by hitting that follow button on my profile. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, some hearts, and share this out to the world. And if you're watching this from YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out when I roll out some new content. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and get out a whiteboard here so I can actually paint you a clear picture in order to answer this question, this topic that I'm going to be covering in this video. So let's say, for instance, you got started in a business opportunity and you decide that you only want to stick to earning a $7 commission from a tripwire offer. So here we have a $7 commission offer. Now, we divide that side, and on the other side, we have a $1,000 commission offer. Okay? So let's say that your goal was to make $7,000. Let's just put that as a goal. So $7,000. Now, if you're only positioned to earn a $7 commission from whatever business opportunity that you're promoting, how much of those $7 commissions you would have to sell in order to make your first $7,000? You would need 1,000 sales from that $7 commission product in order to hit $7,000. So in this column, I'm going to put 1,000 sales. So here I put 1,000 sales. Now, if you're positioned to earn a $1,000 commission for each sale that you make, how many sales will it take to get to $7,000? You would only need 7 sales. So I'm going to write that over here. Okay, so here we have on the left side a $7 commission, and you would need to make 1,000 sales just to make your $7,000 goal. And here on the other side, you have $1,000 commission, in which it only takes 7 sales to make your first $7,000. If you're watching this from the live video right now, or you're watching this from YouTube, comment down below this video, which one is easier to sell? Now, if you took the time to answer and you picked it would be easier to sell $1,000 commission products, you are right. Now, I know there's some debate going on in the marketplace saying that, well, I mean, it's kind of like you can still profit from a low commission product, just selling like huge quantities of them. I mean, just look at Coca-Cola that sells soda cans for $2 a can. But the truth is, if you're getting started with affiliate marketing, you cannot compare that to yourself. You cannot compete with someone that's a well-established corporation. If you're getting started, you got to be smart in how you're going to be leveraging your time so that you can actually make affiliate marketing work for you. So with that illustration example that I just showed you just a moment ago, realize that if you're looking to be in affiliate marketing for the long term, and you're only positioned to earn $7 commissions, you're not going to hit those big back end profits. The truth is, it's going to be really hard for you to hit those big back end profits, especially if you want to be in affiliate marketing over the long term. Now, with that, I know there's some debate going on with, well, you should start with low ticket, you should start with mid ticket offer, you shouldn't get started with a high ticket offer. And people look at high ticket offers as an expense. They think like, oh, it's so expensive, I can't afford it, and I should just forget about it. I should just go with something that's more low to mid ticket. But think about this for a moment. Think about the value that high ticket offer has to offer, no matter what opportunity it may be. And if it's valuable for your customer, if it's valuable for your target niche, wouldn't it make sense to get positioned in that high ticket offer so that you can increase your chances of making those big back end sales that you're looking to make, that you've been struggling so long to do? It makes sense, right? And the truth is, you want to make it easier for yourself to leverage. Now, if you're working a job right now, you want to leverage something that's going to help you maximize your ROI as much as possible. And with high ticket offers, that's very possible to do. Now, I'm not saying that you should only rely on just a high ticket offer. Eventually, what you want to do now, if you're just getting started, if this doesn't make sense to you, just hear this out. And if you need to hear it out more than once, then you're more than welcome to do so. But when you're getting started in affiliate marketing and you decide that this is something that you want to do for the long term, you want to realize that you can't just rely on just one offer. You want to varietize those offers. Now, getting involved in a high ticket offer would be ideally a great start, especially if that high ticket offer has a course in which it shows you what to do to get started in marketing, how to get started in marketing, then why wouldn't you? And so keep that in mind going forward when it comes to selling a high ticket offer. Because the truth is, if you really want to hit those big numbers, if you really want to make your first 6 figures online, you want to consider leveraging high ticket offers. So if you got a ton of value out of this video and you're watching this from the Facebook Live, here's what I want you to do. If you're curious to know what is it that I'm currently up to, drop a comment down below with the words "I'm interested," and I'll inbox you over Messenger with all the details. And if you're watching this from YouTube, here is what I want you to do right now. Down below this video in the video description, you'll find 3 links that take you to my #1 recommendation for money online, for making money online, my recommendation for mindset transformation, and funded proposal. Choose whatever offer best suits you. Click on one of those links. It'll take you to a page. Opt in with your best email. You'll be redirected to a page with a video on it. Be sure to watch that video all the way through. Lock in your spot as soon as possible. So with that said, this is Mark Castillo, aka the Digital Marketing Warrior. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching today's video. Have an amazing day wherever you may be, whatever time zone you're watching this from, and I'll see you on the next video very soon. Take care.